Hello, good morning. My name is Agility from Agilitydigest. I am your blog for arbitrage bets. If you want to know more about arbitrage betting, then you have to subscribe to Agilitydigest and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time I update new videos. So, today I'm going to be walking you through Oddsportal for the second time again. Oddsportal for the second time again. So a lot of persons have been asking questions as to how you can, leverage with this, how you can find some of the better predictions on Oddsportal rather. So as why I've taken out time today to show you in details how you can go about that. There are other predictions other than this one in the general one. So all you have to do is when you come here, when you log in, when you open Oddsportal, once you open Oddsportal, you will see at the status bar here, you have odds comparison, you have community, you have live scores, and you have bookmakers. So the base you have home, next, matches, dropping odds, sure bets, in play odds, all events, betting tools. So here at home, this is the home screen of Oddsportal. This is how it looks like. So this is the home screen where you will have their top predictions for the day. So this is the home screen. You understand? This is the home screen for Oddsportal. So now, where you get other varieties of predictions, all you have to do is you come to this place, community. You click on this community. When you click on community, this is how it will look like. Now, if you come to community, you will see as the status bar here, we see the second line here where you have home, feed, users, top predictions, my statistics, my profile. So you come to users. Users is the third one after home, feed, home and feed. Then the next one is users. Then you come to users. You click on the users. So when you click on the users, you're going to be seeing things like this. You're going to be seeing things like this. So when you open this, all these names you see here are people with predictions. So if you look here, you will see these are the top users. You understand? So down here, you will see top users, active users, popular users, top countries. So these are the top users. Now, if you come to active users, you will see the ones that are active as at the time of this video. So when you open your own, you see also see them. They are the active ones who have made one or two predictions for the day. So the ones that had not made any predictions, you will not see them here. Then these are the popular ones. So when you come here, you will see the popular users. These ones are the ones that are well known. Probably their predictions always come out accurate. You understand? You see the percentage of followers and the number of followers and their percentage of. So that is that about that. So all you have to do is, now let's go back to top users so that you can understand what I mean. Or let's use active users. Let's use active users so that I'll be able to show you guys what I want to show you. So now this is on the active users screen. So now each of these names you see here, starting from number 1, which is Small 2, number 2 Galatasaray 1, and number 3, when tips come. So each and every one of them, if you look down here, you are going to see that there are the ones that have the icons. This is what I'm talking about. These ones that has the icon, or sign. These ones will not be free for use. They have been locked. You understand? So if you look very well, you see that they have the icon. So they have already been locked. It is not going to be free of charge. So these ones are the ones you have to pay for. Then every other one here that doesn't have the icon, you will see their predictions. So let's start with this number 1 who has made only one prediction. Let's see what they have predicted for today. Okay, that is it. Now, this is their predictions. If you go through the antecedents, you will see that on 22nd, they made 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 predictions and 1 came in. Understand? So these are the things you look at for when you want to, pick their games. You first look at what they have done in the past, their predictions, if it actually went through or not. So let's go back and open the next person. Now let's go to Galatasaray. Let's see their prediction. They've made only one prediction. Yesterday they made, no, their last prediction was on 20th, and they picked their prediction was accurate. They picked home and it played 2-1. So tomorrow they have predicted Senegal to beat Qatar. So that is the current prediction they have now. Senegal to beat Qatar at 2.20 odd. That is the prediction they have here now. So let's look at for another person that has probably more number of predictions. Let's go down to Fab 10 Media Pronos. This is it, Fab 10 Media Pronos. So let's look at, he has 16 predictions. So let's look at what they have here. Now you see, he has also predicted Senegal to beat Qatar, predicted Senegal to win first half, predicted away handicap plus 3 goals, also predicted away handicap plus 2 goals. You understand? So he has also predicted away handicap first half 1 goal. So if you look at their predictions, you look at the names, you want to follow them, you can follow them to get their predictions. You understand? So this guy is from France. So that's how you get top predictions. You understand? On Oddsportal, that you can bet and make good money. So let's check another one. Bet to win. Let's check another one. I do take my time. There are a whole lot of them here, so I do take my time to go through them so that I won't be making mistakes. There are some of them who their predictions don't always come out clear. Their predictions are not always accurate. You understand? So I do take my time to search very well. I go through their previous predictions before I can stake a dime on their predictions. So when you come here, fine, look at this. Look at this guy now. You can see his previous predictions. You see, his past predictions are accurate. Of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 are accurate and he won them. You understand? So these are the things you should be looking out for. The guys that their predictions are always accurate. So for today now, this is the predictions I have dropped here. This is from Oman Professional League. This Oman Professional League, Al-Ittihad is predicting first half away to win. You understand? So this one is Andorra Premier Division. See, he's speaking over 2.5, under 2.5 actually. Understand? So that's what you should be looking at for. You should look at their predictions, their previous predictions. Let's see all past predictions. Let's see what happens. Let's see how. Fine. Now, if you look at the past predictions from this guy, look at his past predictions. You will see that he has predicted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And out of that 15, he lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 10. So that is a good one to go by. So predictors like this on Oddsportal are the people you should look out for. Let's go to the next phase and see what happened there. You see, so even going down, you will see that he always made good predictions. You understand? So in this kind of scenario, you will always have to pick from his games, and you will not regret playing his games. So I'm just trying to walk you around on how you can find places you can get better predictions other than the Oddsportal next matches distance. So that is that about that. So if you're looking for where you can find a very simple and good predictions, I think I've always said it that Oddsportal is supposed to be your number one plug, and it's supposed to be your number one plug. You're supposed to use it to always get predictions, especially for those who like playing single games and arbitrage betting. So that is that. So look at, if you can see their last predictions. You can see their last predictions. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 predictions they made yesterday, 4 went in and only 1 didn't go in. So today now they have made another prediction, and this is Cameroon, Switzerland. They've predicted it over 2.5. Portugal, Ghana, they've also said over 2.5. And one good thing is when you look at the percentage here, you will see, now look at this Switzerland, Cameroon. You understand? This under they have predicted, you can see that it is 35% accurate, and it is 65% possible to go under. So under normal circumstance, what you're supposed to do is to know that this match may not go the way they have predicted it. You understand? Now, if you look at this second one, which is Portugal, Ghana, you will see that this over is having 71%, and the under is having 29%. Then if you look at this Brazil, Serbia, over 2.5 is having 97%, and under 2.5 is having 3%. So under normal circumstance, out of these 3, there are only best 2 here, which is the Portugal, Ghana, and Brazil, Serbia. You understand? So what you're supposed to do, the possibility of this first game, Switzerland, Cameroon, of playing under 2.5 is very, very high. So what you're supposed to do in this kind of scenario is, one, is either you play it under 2.5 or you play it over 2.5. You understand? So in this kind of thing, this is where the two-way arbitrage betting that I have always taught you guys comes in. So in this kind of scenario now, you have to play the two-way arbitrage betting here. You pick the 35% or over 2.5, and then you pick the 1.71% of under 2.5. And in this case, there is no way you can lose your money. A lot of persons have always said, what about draw? What about draw? So today, I said gradually I'll be walking you through all these things gradually, so that you will understand what I've always meant. So here in Oddsportal, you have the opportunity of finding two-way arbitrage that you can bet and still be safe. So that's that about that. So I don't know if we are to continue, going through back and forth, going through each and every one of them here, but I think I have already shown you guys how to find them on Oddsportal, and then you can take your time, walk around them. Like I said, these ones that have eye icons do not open because they are to be paid for. So that's that about the film. Don't subscribe to Agility Digest. Kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you get notified every time I update new videos. So here is let me just run through again. If you open Oddsportal, you'll be having something like this. This is the home screen. Then this is next matches. Here you have Oddsportal's prediction. This is their own prediction. You understand? So that's where you have it. So now to find this top predictions, you have to come to community. When you come to community, you open community. When it opens, you look here, you will see home, you will see feed, you will see users. So you go to users. When you go to users, then it will open. So when it opens, you have top users, you have active now, and you have popular users and top countries. So that's how to find this place. So when you locate it, you take your time, go through the one you want to pick their games, go through their past games, their previous predictions, and know what they had. If it's something to go by, then you can invest your money in their predictions. So that is how it works. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly drop your comments in the comment section if you have any questions about this video. Like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Agility Digest. Thank you very much. Do have a blessed